Welcome to Math with Sir Jeff. In this short video, we're going to discuss what absolute value is. And speaking of absolute value, it is the distance from zero on a number line. Later, I will present example and we're going to talk about here. So we will know exactly what absolute value means. We also have here a number line. So this is the example of a number line. We have here the 0, and on the right of it are the positive numbers. And opposite of these positive numbers are of course the negative numbers. So let us try number 1. We have absolute value of positive 4. Now, these bars represent the absolute value of a number. There is a vertical bars on either side. Means absolute value of 4. It's a short term, so you don't need to write the word absolute value. We use these bars as a symbol. Now, going back to the question, what is the absolute value of positive 4? The question now is, how far is 4 from 0? So here is 4. So let's find out the absolute value of 4 on the number line. So let's jump going to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how far is 4 from 0? Well, 4 is 4 units away from 0. So the answer actually is positive 4. Because that is how far away 4 from 0. How about if we have given the absolute value of negative 4? Like what we did a while ago, let's find out or locate negative 4 here in our number line. So here is negative 4. Now, let's check negative 4. Let's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. We jump 4 times away from 0. Oops! Still, the answer is positive 4. Did you get it right? How about these examples? Give the absolute value of the following integers. Number 1, we have absolute value of negative 8. Can you guess the answer? You guessed it right. 8 jumps away from 0. So the answer is positive 8. How about number 2? What is the absolute value of negative 32? Exactly! 32 units away from 0. So the answer is positive 32. How about number 3? What is your answer? Very good! The absolute value of negative 1,999 is positive 1,999. How about number 4? What is the absolute value of positive 100? Perfect! How far away is 100 from 0? It's positive 100. How about the last one? What is the absolute value of negative 12,345? And you were absolutely correct. The answer is 12,345. Another way of thinking about absolute value is no matter what number you have inside the absolute value, the result will always be positive. In other words, the absolute value of any number is the positive version of that number. I hope you've learned something today. Thank you and If you still want to learn something new, follow me, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next lesson. And it's all about on how to add integers. Thank you once again and God bless.